fine. It's elimination time. I'm not doing anything. He's just depressed or something. I don't know, but I'm gonna be the host now. What? Did I tell you killed you? No, I came back. So anyways, America and Happy Yarn, you guys are out. Now, since I'm the host, I'll let the guys have a free day. Really? Well, you still have to pay out for what you did to me on BFRI 15. So, whatever you eat or drink, it will be spicy. And just this glass of milk. But if you drink it, your team is eliminated. Speaking of teams, there's like 5 of y'all in one, fam. So make 2 teams of 3, and yeah, the challenge starts after that. What about the names? Forgot about the names. We could do that next episode. But for now, let's focus about the challenge. Oh man, this sandwich is gonna taste great. You made a sandwich? Yep. It's not the pie burning. It's not that spicy. Ah, our mouth is in flames. Nair. What now? You made the food too spicy. Yeah, I thought it was gonna be the chili kind of spicy, not the one chip challenge kind of spicy. My tongue burned to a crisp. Now it's just ash and I'm too afraid to swallow it in and too worried to spit it out. You gotta make it a bit cooler. You can't make it that hot. You make it evaporate. Well, that's just what you get. Please change it. No. You're the worst host ever. Yeah, I prefer Earth and Neptune over you. What'd I do? Ugh. What a rest. Say, all this napping's making me a bit hungry. I'll go order something to eat. Some sushi would be good right about now. Boop. Your order will be ready in 2 minutes. Rats! 2 minutes? I'll be starving by then. Maybe if I... Who knew that I taste so stale?
Alright, by this time it's already dark and everyone's sleeping. Let's move on to the next day.
So, how's everyone's day? I can't handle it anymore. Give me a glass of milk. Alright, but your team, I don't care, just give it to me. You're the boss. Oh man. What? Vote any 2 contestants so you think should be eliminated. Voting ends in 2 days.